about these terminologies we'll discuss. So, and one more addition is there here, right? So that is also we'll try to add like a access management. It's a integral part. I mean, it's a management separate part, but it comes with a service request only. Okay. Otherwise, I will separately explain that access management in a different place. Okay. So these are the different terminologies, guys, we use at a service desk. First of all, we'll go to the definitions part. Only what it is, what it is, what it is. Then we'll go to the explanation about it. So here it is, the definitions. No need to worry, just we'll put increase. So it can be increased. This one. Online editor, right? It's a Google Docs also cloud service. The first one is, oh, it is very small in size. Still, we need a 14. Okay. So here it is. What is a event? What is event? Any detectable occurrence that significance for a IT infrastructure management. Any detectable occurrence, meaning is I log into my computer, event. I log out from my computer, event. I open my application, event. I open my application, it's not opening, event. Oh, application crashed. I'm using an application, suddenly it is crashed, event. I connected my pen drive, successfully connected like that. Yeah, best one is your phone pay. Okay, Google Pay, Phone Pay. What you do? You take a scanning, right? What you do? You take a scanning, right? So scanning is there. So scan and you enter the amount and pay, right? So then what happened? It shows transaction successful, event. Transaction failure, event. Transaction not enough funds. Funds are not there. Your bank is nil balance, 10 rupees in your bank, but you are trying to pay 100 rupees. Not enough funds. Warning. Not enough funds. Warning. You have to add more amount in it. If you are using wallets like a for Paytm wallet or Phone Pay wallet, so not enough amount in the wallets. You have to add some more money to the wallets. That is called a warning. Warnings. Okay, so this is about event. Any detectable occurrence, either it is successful event or a failure event, or it can be a warning. It is an event only. Okay, so that's a very simple example. Not always required to give an example, IT related example. You can give any example also. Otherwise, we'll put it like this. So then we'll put it like this. I'm trying. What is an alert? What is a alert? What is an alert? Alert is a warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or a failure is occur. Okay, failure is occur. You paid an amount. The amount is detected successfully. The amount is detected successfully. The amount is credited. The amount is debited. Not enough funds. Not enough funds. Okay, reload the amount. Reload the amount. Okay, these are all alerts only. Alerts are like a notifications. Alerts are like a notifications. What is the notification? I will show you one simple notification is from here. Okay, so I keep it like this only. Look at here. This is my C drive is red in color. Red in color means the disk is almost full. More than 80% of disk is full. Okay, it's a warning. The red indicates here it is a warning, not error exactly. It is a warning. It means alert. Disk is full. Disk is about to full. Okay, so like that it will comes under a notification. Any warnings or errors or changes or occurs. Okay, you insert a new hard disk, then it is alert only. It is an event. Hard disk, new hard disk is online, no problem. But hard disk is full, problem. Hard disk is disconnected, problem. So compulsory you have to put a alert for any changes occur or any warnings are occur, when any errors are occur or any failures are occur, compulsory notification must be there, right? Okay, so successful event we don't mind about it. You passed in a 10th class examination, that is not a big deal. You fail in examination, that is a very good deal. So everybody feel happy around you. So this you have so sad you are failed in examination. Okay, so that is life events, warnings. Okay, so what is the incident? Yeah, unplanned interruption to the IT services called incident. Bike puncture incident, transaction failure incident, internet is down failure means incident, internet is down incident, application is not opening incident, unable to send a mail incident, incoming mail is working but outgoing mail is not working, you can't able to send a mail but you are able to receive a mail incident. Okay, so any unplanned interruption, any interruption is occur, it is a event. Bike puncture, you are seriously going to your office or a college, bike puncture, bus failure, bus failure, bike puncture. Okay, so that is a incident, right? Not accidents, guys. Accidents are different, incidents are different. Of course, incident reporting means something is happened, you have to report. That is also called as incident report. That is also called an incident. Something is happened. Okay, so when incident is occur, what to do? When incident is occur, what to do? You have to fix the issue. You have to go and fix it immediately. Make sure it is start working. Otherwise, people don't agree, right? So the funniest thing. It's a common example, and the funniest example is, bank people will charge on the customers for transactions, SMS alerts, right? You are using an ATM, they will charge on you. For you are using debit card, they will charge on you. You are using a debit card because your amount is debited or credited, so they will send an SMS. For SMS also they will charge. Please check once. Okay, please check once. So you are using a debit card, they will charge on debit cards. There is a 256 rupees plus GST plus tax service. So there is so many charges are there. Yeah, no problem. So it's around a 236 or 256 something is there. Plus GST will be there. And SMS for every 3 months there is a SMS charge is around 18 rupees plus GST is another 2 rupees will be added on it. 18% tax for SMS service. Okay, SMS service 18% tax. Okay, so the service cost is less, but so cost of things. So charges are good. Okay, so they are charging by providing a service, and there is a tax on it. So it's like that only. So I'm not against anything, guys. These charges are earlier, but lesser. Now it is more. That's different charges are there. Some are benefited, some are not benefited. Thing is, my point is, they are charging you for using a debit card. They are charging you for sending a SMS. But if you go to ATM won't work, not enough funds, right? And you complain, they'll tell you very simply that whether it will work maybe now or maybe our service guy will come and then it works. When he will come, no one knows, because the bank maintain your account, but ATM maintained by different company like a secure CMS. So like those companies will maintain the ATMs. Cash management system is there in that one. Okay, so this is what is happening, right? So that's why these are all charges also there. That bank calls not made. Any earlier days, there is at the time of my diploma time, 2000 2003, Atal Bihari Vajpayee time. It's everybody compulsory should take a ATM card, and there is a lot of leakages in ATM card, but everybody must transaction through banks. Everybody use a ATM card, and ATM is free, and number of transaction you can make it daily. You can take 100 rupees also, no problem, no additional charges. Later on days, rules are changes. Only 5 transaction per month. Or next one is a 2 transaction per month, or you take 1 transaction. No transaction also will be chargeable. If we use, no use, maybe in future it will be there. Okay, so banks and these sectors, that not only one person deciding, right? So that's the whole sector is like that. It is charge on the customers, right? But point is not that one. ATM is not working. You are agreed to provide a service, but if you are not providing a service, immediately you have to resolve the issues to avoid the further extension. So that's what I'm trying. Incident is occur, ATM is not working, customer given a complaint, or you detected there is a issues occur, you got an alert box, there is a ATM is not working. So immediately they have to send a technicians to solve the issues. Money is not there, put the money. There is a technical problem, so put the technical, solve the technical related issues. Okay, so make sure that money should be get by customers. If he delays, if the customer care is delays, more impact on a customers, right? So earlier days I have a IDBA bank because my previous company given me a IDBA bank account earlier. Okay, so then when I joined to the our organization 70s, so I said I have already IDBA. I give an account to them. I got a big problem because IDBA very less ATMs. Most of ATMs will not work properly. Okay, most of the ATMs we can withdraw only 2,000 3,000 per time. But I have to pay amount for my rent and all by cash withdrawal, right? At least 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. I have to withdraw. It won't work properly. Very rare, very rare thing. If I take the money from outside bank, it is chargeable. This is a bank only doing, right? It is that bank IDBS, that one. So I keep it aside and I ask my organization, so please change my bank account. Please give me some other bank. So that's Axis is okay for yes. Okay, Axis is also in a multiple places. Okay with Axis. ICICI is also there is so many ATMs are ICICI. So private banking anyway, but no problem with Axis and ICICI. Compared to IDBA is better. Okay. So then they gave me Axis. So then I am using Axis now, right? So in this near to my room in Pune, so we have a Axis Bank ATM, not IDBA. Axis Bank ATM is there. 3 ATMs, at least 2 ATMs works. At least 1 ATM works. Okay, out of 3, at least 1 is works. Only occasionally 3 are down. So then I will go to the another bank. Just I will withdraw only for 10,000 for a paying rent. Rent payment is important, right? So you have to live, then you have to pay rent. That's the important one. The point is, guys, service provider provide a service without any interruption. If any interruption is occur, unplanned interruption is occur, that is an incident. So when incident is occur, you immediately go and fix it to avoid the further impact of the issue. That's the explanation. So not the bank and the taxes and all. Important is, guys, we are why I'm telling a ATM example is whenever the failure of service from an organization, Either it can be a bank organization, it can be a governmental organization, a railway department, or a municipal department, or maybe it is a private department, any departments, whatever it is. Okay, a service provider should, like an internet service provider. Service provider should provide a service. Customer should make sure customer get the service. But it is service provider should provide a service and make sure that customer should get a service. You are working in an organization. For example, you join in a HCL or maybe Cognizant or maybe Savantis or like that. You are providing a service. Your company is providing a service. Make sure that your company is providing service to the customer. The customer is getting the service. Okay. If any issues occur, immediately react and do the required action. So then the customer further don't get more problems. More impact will be less. Okay. We can reduce the impact size. Okay. So severity of issues. More number of customers suffering, that will be reduced. Compulsory, guys. Why? Because of if you don't do it, your customer means the client will put a cases on you. Okay, first initially they will give you a warning. You are supposed to be provided uninterrupted services. This should be service taken care, but you are not doing it. Immediately you are not resolving any issues or occurs. What service the client, what it will do it, they'll put you into the court. So very simple, in a consumer form, so there is, you are agree to provide this kind of services, but you are not providing the services. You are not responding when the complaint is raised. That is the severity is there, because we are habituated to the issues we are facing in our real time. We are habituated, we are compromising with that issues. But in a real time, we are working in an IT organization. Any issues is occur, that is a serious issue. Whether it is a small issue or a very big issue, urgent or a very high priority issues or low priority issues. But every issue is very important. Okay, guys, that is a keep in mind. Just I hope you got the point. If you don't get it, still not a big problem. Okay, what is the workaround? Next one is problem. What is a problem? What is a problem? It is an unknown root cause of an incident or an unknown root cause of one or more incident. Okay, simply I'll try to explain it is. Last time one guy asked me a simple question, so then I given an example here. It is, try to understand, guys. This is a network connectivity to a switch, means from here I am able to distribute the internet to the multiple computers. Okay, so this is all are connected. No direct connectivity, right? So there's all are connected to through this one only. See, here it is. I got an issue. My system is down. This PC is down. What is the severity? Means it's a limited impact. The size of impact is very less. System is down. It is a serious issue, but impact is very less because all are getting internet. All are getting internet. Or maybe this particular wire is disconnected. Some cutting is happened. So this guy is not getting internet. This wire is disconnected. The impact is very less. Issue is severe, but impact is very less. Think about it. This is disconnected. This is got a problem. How much impact it is? It is a whole impact. These are all unable to get it. Unable to get the network connectivity. If this is disconnected, whole system, again, whole organization is not getting internet. Okay. So understand the impact of the issue. Second one is, I said incident. I said a incident. For example, this PC is not getting internet. Okay, that is an incident. Now this PC also not getting internet, and suddenly this PC also not getting internet. What happened? Incident is occur not only one place, in a multiple places. Incident is occur. So it is not belongs to one individual PC. It may be there is a root cause of this particular issue. So you find out the root cause, solve the root cause, then we will get a problem will be solved. Guys, problems never occurs. Remember always, direct problems never occurs. Any issue is occur, that is an incident only. Any issues, system is failure, internet is disconnected, okay, system is down, server is down, RAM failure, disk failure, backup failure, all these incidents, these are incidents only. There is not at all a problems. When incident is occur, either you treat that one as an incident or a problem. It depends upon the factors. You have to decide the incident. Are you want to treat as an incident, or you want to treat it as a problem? What is the difference is, problem is unknown root cause, means you don't find a solution immediately, or maybe multiple incidents are occur, or repetition of incident. You know, I given an example to that. I'm trying to give an example. Yeah, it is no problem. See, this is a common example. I shared this example also. In our office, we have a one system, specific one system is there specially. So the system usually in that place, mostly girls are sitting there. Okay, so usually short girls are there. Usually they feel they put a legs on that system. Cabinet system means cabinet, on cabinet. So not complete whole systems, on cabinet. They put a legs. Sometimes they will kick the cabinet. What happens? The hard disk is connected to motherboard. Hard disk is connecting to motherboard, right? So like this is a connectivity. Some all loose connection is there. So what happened when they kick the cabinet, system is off. Okay, they got a immediately unable to find a bootable device, boot MGR missing. These kind of errors we are getting. So I'm in the same classroom. I'm the only trainer in my branch. So what I will do, so I'll remove the cabinet and connect the hard disk again. Connect the hard disk back again. Okay, connect the hard disk back again. Now what is the thing? So problem is solved. Guys, again listen carefully. Incident is occur. System is not working. So I went first incident. Incident is occurs. I open the cabinet. So I connect it all the wires. I remove the cable and reset the cable back. Now it is working. Incident is occurs. Now it is fine working. After 2 days, same thing. Issue is occurred. What is issue? System is down. Again I check it. Cable loose connection. I checked all the cables along with the hard disk cable. So I removed the cables and reset the cables back. Now working. Incident is occurs, solved. Incident is occurred, solved. Again, after 3-4 days, incident is occur, again solved. Okay, these are incidents only. But what happened? It's a multiple repetition of the same incident. I will put this one into the problem. Yes, understand this scenario?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, what is this problem? Why should I consider this one as a problem? Because problem will give you permanent solution. Once you are considered as a problem, You have to search for a permanent solution, not temporary solutions. Okay, so once problem you are considered as a problem, once problem is solved, no incident or very less incident, severity of number of incidents will be reduced. Severity of number of incidents will be reduced, or number of incidents will become zero automatically. Okay, so what is this? You have to find out root cause of the issue. What is the thing? When you consider this as a problem, find out root cause. What is the root cause? The cable problem. What is the problem here? I found cable is problem. Then what to do? I remove this cable. I completely remove the old cable. Insert the fresh cable. So purchase 125 rupees, 50 rupees. You'll get a new cable, or take it from any other cables. So a lot of cables are there in a office, right? So I'll connect with a new cable here. New cable. So it's old cable has some loose contact. So new cable is fitting good. So I found the root cause is a cable loose connection. So what I have done, I change the cable. I change the cable. So because of the change, problem is solved. No, I'm not getting any further issues. So this is the problem management. I use a word called change here. So we'll go to that change also. See, it is. This is the change. Okay. So unknown root cause of one or more incidents called a problem. Then this is a next one is to solve the problems we may require a change management. Change. Okay. So the change may resolve your issues. Sometimes you have to replace something. Tire punctures. You may have to change the tires. Okay. Or maybe you have to change the engine oil. Bike engine oil is there. You have to change every 6 months or 1 year. You must change it, so then performance of bike will increases. You have to change something like seats, or maybe like a lot of things are there. We are changing mobile phone entirely. Updates, upgrades. When I purchased this laptop, it came with Windows 8. Now it is Windows 10. 8, 8.1, Windows 10 is upgradations. It is called also change only. Change can be a standard change. Okay, a standard change. Change we can use it to resolve issues, updates, upgrades, casual, can be a casual change, is a normal, casually regular changes, casual or regular changes. Okay, to resolve the issues, to update and upgrade, also we are using the change word we are using. Okay, based on the customer requirement, we'll change it, right? For example, I have a 100 Mbps internet. Sorry, I have a 50 Mbps internet connection from my internet service provider. I want to change. I want to change it to 100 Mbps. I want to change it to 100 Mbps. It's also changed. Okay. I have a 4 GB RAM. When I purchased this laptop, it is a 4 GB RAM. I added a 8 GB. Then it is a 12 GB RAM. Change. RAM is not working. I replace my RAM with a new RAM. That is change. Okay.
हम खुद वो जाते हैं तो घूमते हैं वो अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो डीएम ऑफिस है कलेक्टर वाला
Replace. Guys, please take care of your mics. Okay, if you are asking a doubt, you can open the mic. Okay, so otherwise better to mute yourself. So replace any components, upgradations, updates are replaced. Also we can call it as an under changes. The last point, and that is thing. So also I will tell the go through one few sentence already given today. Just before I given two links, right? One is about a service desk, another one is a service desk level. So only two I given, guys. Service operations links also I will share it. Okay, service operation link also I will share it. So try to go through that one also. Tomorrow I will explain each and everything once again if possible. Okay, this is a service operations. In the service operations also it will cover event, incident, request, access, problem management, the diagrams, and different service desk related terminologies, sentence are there. You can read it once, guys. Always this is the simple idea is always follow like this. Whether it is a PPT or a notes or a website or wherever the material you got it, don't never mind about it. Just read it. If you understand, read again. Okay. If you understand, read again. If you don't understand, just give the some pause and you can read it later. Okay. So sometimes mind is not ready to accept the things. Okay. Sometimes it is directly accepted, sometimes may not. Why I'm always to try to do repeatedly telling? Why? Because of a person get in a first time, some person may not get in the same time. So I want everybody to learn, so then I'm keep repeating. Same thing, same formula. If you understand this thing, read once. Read once, you understand. Read once again, you will remember it. You will remember it. And try to understand with an example. It's a permanent memory. You will understand much better. Okay. And try to tell the same thing to some another. You never forget. So these are the simple formula. If you don't understand, you read once, you don't understand, give some time, read it again after some time. You will understand later. No? So may not be understand now. Maybe you will understand after 1 or 2 hours. No problem. But compulsory try. Okay, here it is ITL life cycles. Tomorrow I will explain the ITL life cycles and internal life cycles in a one single shot, and also this each and every part of event management, incident management, each and every part I'm trying to explain. So each and every part is there, like what is incident, what is a incident example. I will forward this PPT also, this service desk PPT also I will forward to you. Compulsory read these examples, guys, today.
Okay.
Okay, so try to do it. Okay, if you don't get it also, no problem, at least look at once. Okay. Since it is in an event, I given this is about event. This is how to check some infrastructure detail, like monitoring related. I added here because someone is asking me what is about monitoring. So what are the things you can see in the monitoring, performance monitoring, resource monitoring from the our PC? Okay, so many other things are there. Definitions, and what is an alert, what is an incident, what is a problem. So what is change? Okay, what is change? So see the examples also. Try to read it once. You don't understand also, not at all a problem. What is a service request and all. Okay, that is ITL. Where am I? I'm in a last point. That's why I'm telling like this. Okay, so don't worry. Service request. What is a service request, guys? I want to upgrade my internet 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps. It is a service request. And what is a service request? It includes a change. I'm asking change my internet service, or I want to change my address. I want to change my address. I want to cancel my debit card. I want to cancel my credit card. It's a service request. I want VPN access. I want a storage access. I want a printer access. Service request. Through service request only we can able to get that services. I want some information. How much for a 100 Mbps connection? So I call to service desk or a customer care. I'm asking how much for 100 Mbps. standard service request, right? Just information, I'm not taking, just information. It can be a user information or it can be an advice. So my internet speed is very less, or in my bedroom I'm not getting full signal. What to do? Any idea, guys? In my bedroom, I'm not getting my Wi-Fi signal. Full signal is not coming. Weak signal. What is advice? Use Wi-Fi extension, right? Use Wi-Fi extension. You have to just think like that. So just for our basic knowledge, our knowledge only. We have to come with our knowledge only. Use a Wi-Fi extension, so then it will boost up your signal. That it's a standard advice. Okay. So you give an exercise. So close all browser histories, clean up the browser history, clean up the cookies. So then internet speed increases. Okay, close all internet-based applications. So then the standard you will get a maximum internet support for a single application or a single work only. It is an advice. Any standard changes is a service request. So standard changes based on service request. Okay, like a change of engine oil, change of RAM, okay, processor, disk changes, okay, backups, like that. So for accessing to the IT services, printer access, VPN access, database access, these are all things. Okay, so here all these terminologies are very important. Event, alerts, incident, workaround, changes, and service request, a request for a service. These terminologies are very common and very useful, guys. Each one I will explain tomorrow. What is an event, different type of events. So where events are occur, how to check it, what is the alerts, how to see that one. Incident, examples for an incident, example for work problems, example for changes also there. And also it is mentioned in this PPT. I will forward this PPT today. And also I will share this link should be shared now, so you will read it. Recorded videos are will take time because I have to download and I have to forward. Yeah, here it is. This is the heading. I will this PPT also I use for tomorrow for ITL and as well as a thing. Okay, so not only today's, this is also used for tomorrow also. But currently I'm putting a date for today's. So then we can able to easily recognize it. So guys, whenever you have a free time, so free time means you got a lot of time. Okay, so afternoon class maybe there. Sudeshna madam will share the information. Okay, automatically you will get that. Someone put a message. Ticket is ticketing process, event alerts, monitoring, incident and parliament changes. All are related, but little barriers are there. Small barriers are there. Okay, so that's a good question. Actually, Kirti asked a very good question. That is a ticket as generated can be considered as a IT related example of event? No. It is a ticket is created means something is happened. Is either it can be a warning in an event. A warning is generated. For example, I am monitoring my infrastructure. Okay, I will show you this very good example actually. Okay, it's a monitoring. It's like I have a servers, routers, switches, desktops, laptops, like a firewalls, like a different type of systems are there. So logical I'm writing. Okay, so I have a different things. I have a servers, routers, switches, okay, different servers, database servers, Linux servers, Windows servers, DHCP servers, DNS servers, different servers are there. Routers, of course, for a network communication thing. Switches are connecting in the network, right? Firewalls for protecting your system, right? Firewalls are there. Firewall kind of stuff are there. Any other components, you have it. What I'm doing is I'm monitoring my infrastructure using monitoring tools. Example, NAGIOS. For example, NAGIOS, New Relic. NAGIOS is a one thing. New Relic, Zabbix, WhatsApp Gold. These are applications. Using that application, I'm monitoring all these devices, all the systems, including databases, email servers, okay, email servers, web servers, web servers. So I'm monitoring all the devices and their applications. I'm monitoring using different tools. I'm monitoring in an event at the when it is come to the event. What happened? Disk is online. Successful event. Successful login. No problems. Successful backup. No problem. Right? But warning. Disk is full. Warning. About to full. Disk failure. Error. Disk failure. Error. Disk is about to full. Warning. So this monitoring system monitor the device, monitoring the devices. It monitoring system monitor the systems, means like devices, servers, applications, routers, switches, everything. It monitors depends upon how you monitor. So we monitor the infrastructure. This is the monitoring system. It's a monitoring system. We monitor using some different application. We monitor the infrastructure. While you're monitoring, we check the events. What are the events are occurring in an individual system or a device? For example, any in events, information, warning, errors are occur. Any warning or errors are occur through alerting system. We have a alert. We will put a alert. Through alert, will generate alerts. Any warnings or errors are occurs while you are monitoring the systems. Different events are occurs. Events can be information, warning, or error. But whenever warning and error is occurs, the alerting system will alert the people who are working under either it is a service desk or a specific technical team. Service desk and technical team both are same, only difference is levels are different. Technology wise, there are different. So these alerts are forward to the service desk. In generally, we have to sell in a service desk, because I missed this point also in this place. In this place, I said directly telephone, email, apps, and all, and also we have to tell monitoring tools. In that one, event monitoring. In the event monitoring, mainly warnings and mainly event monitoring. So event monitoring is connected to alerts. Send alerts for warnings and errors. Okay, informative is just a notification, basic notification. So we'll keep inside, but alerting system mainly concentrates on warning and error events. It will forwards to this service desk. People will get through alerting system, so they will create a ticket. So they will sometimes it is automation process nowadays. Like automation is popular, right? So in automation process, it create a automatically ticket forward to the technical team, means specific team. My database engine is not working properly. web server not working, or a DNS server is not working, DHCP server is not working. It may be a server related issues. Router is not working, network related issues. Router is busy, very busy. It's unable to process with full-fledged one. Okay, so firewall is having some decision making things. What it is, either you use automation system, or maybe through alert system you'll receive alerts. So we'll understand alert and create a ticket, or we'll automate the ticket creation and forward to the appropriate team. Okay, so this is about your monitoring. Monitoring means resource monitoring, process monitoring, application monitoring, system monitoring means entire system status monitoring, network monitoring. Okay, like entire infrastructure, your devices, operating system, applications, and services can be monitored using different monitoring tools. So when you are monitoring, so any changes occur, any changes. So again, we are going back with that one. Okay, any detectable occurrence there, like a information, warning, or error. Anything is occur, so then it is an events, right? So it is recorded in a events manner, right? So then any warnings and errors or changes occur through alerting system, we will get that notification. Either it is a manual and
चलो अमरेश तुम्हारा भाई है वो भी बोल देता है कभी कभी इस साला आ गया दिक्कत होने लगा है
okay, sorry guys, someone put it. So, yes sir, last point I want to close. I want to try to make you understand, that is any alerts is occur. From alerts, a warning or error is occur. Either it is a manual entry, like service desk people will understand there is a issue is occur, so they'll create a ticket and forward to the particular team. Like either it is an incident is occur. Issue is occur means incident is occur. They're very simple. Okay, so they'll create a ticket as an incident is occur and forward to the appropriate team. Okay, or we can automate this process, like any alerts are occurring based on a warning or a failure is occur or issues occur, you got a alerts from the monitoring system through event management. So then automatically it will create a ticket and forward to the particular ticket. So using a certain application, automated applications also available, including Nagi OS also we can create that automated tickets and our created it. Okay, so once a event is occur, so once incident is occur, so what you have to do, you have to try to resolve the issues as soon as possible before it is impact on a more customer base or more service base. Okay, so that is the thing, guys. It's a very good question actually. So Kirti asked, thing is ticket is a simply as say it is either it is a reporting an issue or a change, reporting an issue or a change or some request in the ticket. Monitoring is about what is the status of our infrastructure. Event, any significant occurrence, any changes or any significant occurrence, that is called event. So different events are there. From events monitoring, we can get some incidents also. Any warnings and errors or occurs, we consider that one as a incident automatically. So that is again comes under ticketing. Okay, that notification we can put it in a ticketing. Ticketing represents an issue. Either it is any issue like a change or service request or incident. Okay, any issues. Okay, that's it. I hope you got it. Any doubts or anything, guys, please?
No, sir.
Okay. It's already 2 o'clock, guys. Have a lunch.